In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print double-sided using Canva, a skill that can elevate your design projects, ensuring they're both professional and eco-friendly. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step to get you well on your way to printing those beautiful double-sided documents effortlessly. First off, head over to canva.com and make sure you're logged in by clicking the login button in the upper right corner. If you're not already logged in, you have several flexible options to access your account. You can log in using Google, Facebook, or simply through your email. Choose whichever method you prefer, and once you're in, we're ready to get creative. Now let's create something new or navigate to a design you've already been working on. Opening Canva presents you with a clean slate or the chance to delve into your existing project. If you're starting fresh, explore the fantastic free templates available in the design section. These templates can provide a quick launchpad for your creativity, or simply make adjustments to your existing work if something needs refinement. After you've tailored your design to perfection, make sure you're happy with the final result. Then shift your attention to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the share button. You'll see an array of sharing options, but for our task today, we're interested in the download option. Since we're prepping to print, set the file type to PDF print. This ensures that your design maintains its high quality during printing. Additionally, it's crucial to adjust the color profile to CMYK. This setting is specifically geared toward printing and ensures that the colors in your masterpiece are as true to life as possible when printed. Once your settings are adjusted, click on the download button. Give Canva a moment to process and prepare your design for download. Patience is key here. It's just about wrapping up your hard work into a neat little bundle. When your design is ready and sitting beautifully on your device, it's time to bring it to life on paper. To open the print options, press the Ctrl and P keys together. This will bring up the print dialog box where you can make your final adjustments. Crucially, make sure to check the print on both sides checkbox. This instructs your printer to print on both sides of the paper, which is perfect for saving paper and achieving that sleek, professional look. Finally, hit the print button, and just like that, your double-sided design begins its journey from digital to physical. You're now well equipped to create stunning double-sided documents directly from Canva whenever you need. Enjoy showing off your pristine creations and making the most out of each sheet of paper. Happy designing!